Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to read passage number 3 that is included in our syllabus of O Level Islamiyat 2058. First of all, we will read the passage, the verses from the Holy Quran and their translation in English, and then we will read about the main themes of the passage and importance of these themes in a Muslim's life today. This passage has been taken from Surah Fussilat, that is also known as Surah Hamim As-Sajdah. The verses in this passage are the verses number 37 to 39. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ومن آياته الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر لا تسجدوا للشمس ولا للقمر واسجدوا لله الذي خلقهن إن كنتم إياه تعبدون فإن استكبروا فالذين عند ربك يسبحون له بالليل والنهار وهم لا يسأمون ومن آياته أنك ترى الأرض خاشعة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت إن الذي أحياها لمحيي الموتى إنه على كل شيء قدير صدق الله العظيم. Before we start the translation of these verses, I must inform you that these verses, especially the verse number 37, is the verse of sajda. Means whenever you recite this verse or listen to this verse recited by anyone else, you must offer sajda. It is compulsory upon every Muslim. So we are going now to read the translation. Among its signs are the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. Adore not the sun and the moon, but adore Allah who created them. If it is Him you worship, you wish to serve. But if people are arrogant in the presence of your Lord, are those who celebrate His praises by night and by the day, and they never grow tired. And among His signs is this: you see the earth barren and desolate, but when we send down rain to it, it is stirred to life and yields increase. Truly, He who gives life to the earth can surely give life to those who are dead, for He has power over all things. What are the main themes of this passage? The main theme of this passage is Allah in Himself. Note it down. The main theme of this passage is Allah in Himself. This passage is taken from Surah Fussilat. I told you, Surah Fussilat is also known as Surah Hamim As-Sajdah, which was revealed soon after the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's uncle Sayyidina Hamza radhiyallahu anhu had embraced Islam. This surah was recited to the Meccans in response to their baseless ideas. After reading this passage, one can understand the reality of the universe and its system, and know that the teaching of the oneness of Allah is in fact the actual reality. This passage specifically warns the people against worship of celestial bodies. What are celestial bodies? The sun, moon, galaxies, stars, etc. are known as celestial bodies. It stresses that it is only Allah who is worthy of worship because He is the creator of the whole universe. Night, day, sun, and moon are just the signs of His divine power and omnipotence. Omnipotence means complete authority and control. You know, the absolute authority and control of the universe lies in the hands of Allah alone. The importance of this theme, or the importance of these themes in a Muslim's life today. Students, the importance of this theme for Muslims is that it makes them reflect on Allah's wondrous creation and realize that He is the sole creator and master of the universe. What does sole creator mean? Sole creator means the only creator. You know, Allah is the only creator of the universe. There is no other creator. There can be none other than Him in this capacity. Understanding of the natural phenomena strengthens Muslims' belief in Tawheed. When you would be able to understand the natural phenomena, obviously, your belief in Tawheed would strengthen. By reading this passage and understanding the theme of this passage, the Muslims realize that complex functioning of the universe is not a chance happening, but it is controlled by a supreme Lord and Master. You know, the sun, the moon, the galaxies, the stars do not work by themselves. Everything that's happening in the universe is not happening by itself. Actually, everything is controlled by Allah Almighty. Muslims learn from this theme that it is neither the sun nor the moon to be worshipped, but we should worship Allah alone, who is the creator and master of the sun and the moon, as well as the whole universe. So students, I hope this lecture would be a useful one for you all, and you would find it quite easy to write about the main themes of this passage and the importance of these themes in Muslims' lives today. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe this channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.